When it comes to choosing your budget and your schedule for your advertising campaign, first of all, try and consider how much you'd like to allocate towards this as a test budget. Even if it's small, something like £50, it's good to understand how it performs for your pub before you spend any more. Also, consider other marketing channels and expenses that you pay for those so that you can perhaps reallocate a test budget from something else. For example, could you stop advertising in a local magazine in order to experiment with some Facebook ads? To adjust your budget, head to the Budget and Schedule section of Meta Ads Manager. You have the option to run your ads on a daily or a lifetime budget. Meta will try to spend your daily budget every day, but spending may vary slightly day to day. It's useful to run a daily budget if you want to keep an ad running and you don't have a specific end date. A lifetime budget gives you the option to add in the total amount that you're willing to spend over the entire duration of your ad campaign, and you can put in a very clear start and end date. This means Meta will spend no more than what you've said you want to. It will also spend more on days when it expects better results and less on slower days. So generally this can lead to better performance, especially for time-bound campaigns like events or set promotions. Once you've updated your budget, you will see the estimated daily results over on the right-hand side. Sometimes these might be unavailable straight away. In the budget and schedule section, you can set the start and end dates, or you can run your ads continuously if needed. You want to run your ad for about 2 weeks' time. If they perform well, you can go longer. You can adjust your budget at any time, adding more or even pausing your ads if you need to. The estimated daily result, which usually shows on the right-hand side here, will depend on the size of your audience and the budget that you spend. Remember to test and learn. If you're new to Meta advertising or uncertain about the best budget and schedule, then it's a good idea to start with a smaller budget and test what you can achieve. You can also use a particular schedule for your ad campaign, such as only showing your ads in the evenings. This can only be done on a lifetime budget in the additional options.